Yssamh English.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Mary.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy today.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
What did you do last weekend?
I visited my parents.
Who's your best friend?
My best friend is Thomas.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, I don't drink alcohol.
Who do you live with?
I live with my brother.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you do for fun?
I like to read books.
Do you play video games?
Yes, sometimes.
Where do you go for fun?
I go to the beach.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is photography.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
Where did you go on vacation?
I went to Italy.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love it.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 10 years.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it black with no sugar.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny today.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy football.
Are you interested in fashion?
Yes, I love fashion.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want eggs and toast.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I can cook basic meals.
What did you have for lunch?
I had a sandwich and soup.
Do you like sushi?
Yes, I love sushi.
How do you like your steak?
I like my steak medium rare.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea in the morning.
Do you know where he lives?
Yes, he lives in Chicago.
Do you think it's my fault?
No, it's her fault.
How long do I have to wait?
About 1 hour.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
When do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 7 a.m.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
Do you like tennis?
Yes, I'm good at tennis.
Do I have to study?
Yes, you have to study a lot for better results.
Do you drink coffee?
I like to drink coffee.
Why did he run away?
I think he's a thief.
Why are you crying?
Because I'm in danger.
Does he go to work by bus?
No, he has a private car.
Does your dog bite?
Yes, but not always.
Where do you work?
I work at Microsoft.
Why did he quit his job?
Because he will start a business.
Do you know why she's so angry?
Because she's been angry since childhood.
Why did you say such a thing?
Because I'm in fear.
Does Nancy want to have a dog?
Yes, it's her hobby.
Why didn't you call me last night?
Because I fell asleep.
Does she like oranges?
Yes, she loves to eat oranges.
Where did you get the pain?
I got neck pain.
What time does your plane depart?
My flight is at 5 p.m.
Does he live here?
Yes, with his parents.
What does she have for a living?
She has a lot of money for a living.
Can you cook Italian food?
Yes, I can make pasta and pizza.
Do you like dessert?
Yes, I love cakes and ice cream.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
What kind of fruits do you like?
I like apples, bananas, and strawberries.
Do you drink milk with your cereal?
Yes, I always drink milk with my cereal.
What's the best pizza place in town?
The best pizza place is Luigi's Pizza.
Do you like to cook at home?
Yes, I prefer cooking at home.
Do you eat fast food often?
No, I prefer homemade food.
How do you prepare a sandwich?
I put bread, cheese, and ham together.
What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is the Italian Bistro.
Do you eat vegetables every day?
Yes, I eat vegetables with every meal.
Can you recommend a good recipe?
I recommend trying chicken Alfredo pasta.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I usually have rice with chicken and vegetables.
Do you like cooking for others?
Yes, I enjoy cooking for friends and family.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
My favorite type is Italian cuisine.
Do you like to bake?
Yes, I love baking cakes and cookies.
When does it begin?
It begins at 7 p.m.
What does this mean?
It means she loves you.
When does the bus arrive?
The bus arrives at 5 p.m.
Does she speak English?
Yes, she speaks English very well.
Does Jenny like strawberries?
Yes, she loves strawberries.
Does she speak French?
No, she doesn't speak French.
How does he go to the market?
He goes to the market by car.
What does your brother do?
He's a software developer.
Does it hurt when you chew?
Yes, sometimes it bleeds.
Does Jenny always carry a gun?
Yes, she always carries a gun for security.
How many books does he have?
He has over 100 books.
What time does hockey begin?
It starts at 10 a.m.
What time does the club open?
The club opens at 10 a.m.
What time does the first train leave?
The first train leaves at 6 a.m.
Does he know that you love him?
Yes, we love each other.
Does it snow much in the winter?
Maybe, I'm not sure.
Why don't we go home?
Because I'm at my friend's house.
Why don't you come in?
Actually, I'm waiting for someone.
Why are you busy today?
I have a lot of work today.
Why did you come early?
Because I'm free.
Does she use the phone?
No, she doesn't like using phones.
Does he do the shopping?
Yes, he does.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy a new phone.
How much is this jacket?
The jacket costs $50.
Do you need any groceries?
Yes, I need to buy some fruits and vegetables.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the mall.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
What's on sale today?
There's a sale on shoes and clothes.
How do you pay for your groceries?
I usually pay with my credit card.
Do you want to go shopping?
Yes, I need to buy a gift for my friend.
How much are those shoes?
They cost $100.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
What are you going to buy?
I'm going to buy a gift for my mom.
Do you have any change?
Yes, I have $10.
Where do you want to go for lunch?
I want to go to the new Italian restaurant.
Do you like shopping at the supermarket?
Yes, I do.
Do you like shoes?
Yes, I like shoes, especially sneakers.
Where is your favorite store?
My favorite store is the clothing boutique downtown.
How much do these pants cost?
These pants cost $30.
Does he have a lot of money?
Yes, he has a lot of money.
Do you prefer shopping online?
Yes, I prefer shopping online.
Does she like to drink juice?
Yes, she loves drinking juice.